Module 2, The Animal World. 2A, Reading.
Incredible biology. What do bats and dolphins have in common? At first glance, it seems that dolphins and bats couldn't be more different. They share few physical features, and with one living in water and the other in the sky, neither can enter the other's environment. However, they are almost alone in the animal kingdom in sharing one remarkable ability: echolocation. Echolocation is one of nature's most amazing developments. It enables creatures to understand their surroundings and the location, size, and shape of objects around them without relying on eyesight. In these creatures' natural environments, it is a valuable survival tool. Bats are nocturnal, which means they hunt in darkness, and dolphins often move in deep waters where there is very little light. Creatures that use echolocation produce sounds which they send out as waves into their surroundings. When the sound waves encounter an object, they bounce off it and return to the creature, which is able to interpret how the structure of the waves has changed to build a mental image of its surroundings. In dolphins, one way that echolocation is achieved is through a series of clicking sounds, up to around 2,000 clicks per second. Dolphins don't actually have vocal cords, so the sounds are produced by pushing air through membranes called the phonic lips. They can be found a little below the blowhole. The dolphin first takes in air through the blowhole, then pushes it through the lips. The sound waves that are created are then sent out through an area at the front of the head called the melon. This directs the sound out from the dolphin in a line, similar to a torch beam of sound. This is why, when they are echolocating, dolphins tend to turn their heads from side to side. They are sending the beam out in different directions to search different areas. When the waves return, they are collected by the dolphin's lower jaw. In bats, echolocation differs slightly in how it works, depending on the species. Bats cannot cover the same distances as dolphins, but the principle behind their echolocation is the same. The bat produces a soft clicking sound that travels out and bounces off nearby objects. Some species produce sounds by clicking together two small bones in their throat, while others use their tongue. Their ears are specially shaped to receive the returning sound waves and direct them for interpretation. Amazingly, but perhaps not unsurprisingly, we now know that bats and dolphins, although they look so different and live in such different environments, actually share a large number of genes. This explains how these two different species managed to develop an almost identical echolocation function.